There might be 4 or 5 bags in here. Let's do an Hermes parasol. So big. These I got. I know you love the cheapers more than these myself, so I got these. I know what these are. They were kind enough to give me. So it is the Kelly to go. This one with the white stitching. Lucky enough to get. I've never seen this. Because it goes with this. I was lucky enough to get a fun flippable strap shoes. So I wanted to buy something before I had my appointment. I got these are the all black. So this for my Evelyn, which I think is kind of it'll go on any bag that has a crossbody strap. It wants a crossbody strap. It's a line. I can put it on my Evelyn. I can put it on Crazy. This one, well, Evelyn. This is a really hard one to get, but I'm really happy I got. It's the Kelly pocket strap. It's 2 bags. Yeah, I got it. I was able to ask for more, so I got Gypsy Air. This is the other bag I got from the other store. A little mini Evelyn. You tell me the box, you tell what I got. So I asked the appointment instead. I know it's hard to get, but I was able to buy rose gold. Already open because I'm already using it. It's really funny. It is a palette plating that kind of look gold from different angles, and it's got Yay,